Hello guys, this is Lonely Trade. Today I made $461 trading Nasdaq London. I halved the sell size of one of my performance accounts because it's kinda close to drawdown, so I can have more opportunities to trade it. Now, coming to the market, I was pretty bullish. Now, this is kinda bearish order flow. Then why was I bullish? Because if you look at two-day open from London, market swept Asia low in this overextended area, and that displaced this two-day open. So I was thinking that then the market is going to be bullish. So I identified 15-minute and 5-minute fair value gaps so that I can use it as a condition. When price reaches there, I can identify my long entry. Also, one more reason is that in 4-hour and 1-hour time frame at that time of trading, it was not that bearish. 1 hour inversed this bearish fair value gap after creating this huge rejection rate. 4-hour also created this huge rejection rate and did not particularly look bearish. 15-minute was also pretty bullish. It was not that bullish in terms of creating certain PD arrays, such as there's no order block nor CISD. But for 5-minute, it created CISD, it created order block here, it created another CISD, so it was bullish. In other words, 4 hours to 1 hour, so high time frame was not that particularly bearish or bullish, but in 15-minute to 5-minute time frame, it was kinda bullish. On top of that, price swept Asia low in this overextended area, and according to my statistics for the last 1 year, if that happened, in other words, if Asia is swept in overextended area, then price moved to the opposite direction at 69.60% of chance. And more importantly, at midnight, this was midnight, if midnight was rejected this strongly, then there's 89.47% chance that price moved to the opposite direction. So I was pretty confident that the market gonna be bullish. Now, narrowing down my entry. I entered here because the first bullish CISD created was here, but we were inside this 1-minute bearish fair value gap. There were 2 bearish fair value gaps, so I decided that I will enter either the first bearish fair value gap was displaced with very strong candle and inverse, or otherwise the second fair value gap was inversed. And the second fair value gap was inversed with this displacement, so I entered stop loss below this unmitigated 1-minute bullish fair value gap, 1R. And I entered at 40 points because it's over 35 points. So with 6 contracts, so therefore I made only like 350. But it was a winning day nevertheless. I think I will enter like in this case 35 points in the future. So I can make my profit close to $500 per account. Thank you for listening. If you like the video, please subscribe and like. Have a great day and see you in New York. Bye.